This is the Lobster Boat Collection, a collection of crew figures, lobster boat parts, lobsters, seagulls, and more. It will fit models like Blue Jacket, Model Expo, Midwest, Dumas, and many others. All the items are designed in 3D software and ready to print on your 3D printer at home. This is the captain of the lobster boat. His hand is posed for the ship's wheel. This is the back view of the captain. Here's what the 3D design looks like. The figures are designed at 1/12 scale and are scalable to fit the size of your model. This is another captain figure with his hand posed for the steering wheel and also the gaff pole reaching for the lobster buoy. This is what the back view looks like. And this is what the 3D STL file looks like. These files do not come in color, so these items will have to be painted. This is the lobster girl holding the catch of the day, a large lobster. Here's some other views. And a 3D file of the lobster girl. Also included lobster boat wheel, lobster boat controls, gaff pole, a lobster, and a lobster with claw bands on. These are starting at 1/12 scale and can be scaled to your model size. And of course, what lobster boat would not have seagulls hanging around? So whether you're building a RC lobster boat or a smaller scale model, my lobster boat collection can add more detail to your model. You'll find the 3D files on cults3d.com. Good luck and happy modeling. You'll find a link in the description of where to get the STL files to print your own. These videos become dated, so the information I put on may change over time. Always look in the description to find the latest information. My STL files are for your personal use only. Please, no commercial use or public sharing of the 3D models. See cults3d.com for complete details.